I put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. This is your girl, the hair snack babe, and I'm here to show you guys this really quick and simple protective cornrow hairstyle that I love doing in my hair. It's very simple and easy. What I'm using there is some ginger spray, chamomile spray with cloves in it, and I'm rubbing it all in my scalp and in my hair. And now I'm about to start styling my hair. You see the two pictures on the side of the video. That's how I'm going to actually style my hair. That's the ending look. So sit back, relax, enjoy some music for a little while you watch me put this simple, quick, and easy protective cornrow hairstyle in my hair. Enjoy.
I begin to
Okay, guys, see, I told you it was a quick and easy hairstyle. So yeah, you could just put a scarf on your head once you're done. So those little flyaway hairs, if you have any, will just lay down. But this is the finishing look. I hope you guys love it just as much as I do. And this is definitely my go-to hairstyle. And guys, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Later.